What if I told you your grandmother's finest china began here, in a pile of bones?
Washed, sorted, ground to dust. This powder is about to become something you'd never imagine.
Light passes through it. Heat can't crack it. This plate will outlive your grandchildren.
Robots and artisans, centuries of knowledge, one perfect plate built to last forever.
From bones to beauty. That's what we do. Watch the full journey. You'll never see a plate the same way again. Before it graces royal tables, it begins here. In fields, with cattle. In bones, with history.
Not all bones are equal. The strongest china comes from specific parts, selected by experts who've done this for decades. The bone must sing. A clear ring means density. Density means strength. Strength means china that lasts centuries.
Clean, sterile, pure. The bone is now ready to become something entirely new.
Heat removes moisture. Moisture removal enables crushing. Bone becomes powder. Powder becomes art.
From farm to factory, from bone to bone china, the journey to Stoke-on-Trent, the pottery capital of the world, has begun. Stoke-on-Trent. For 3 centuries, this city has turned earth and bone into art. The truck carries yesterday's cattle toward tomorrow's heirlooms. These walls have seen centuries. The same clay, the same bone, the same obsession with perfection, passed down through generations.
01 calcined, 2,500 kg.
Approved, verified, authentic. Only the finest bones enter these halls. Confirmed, you may proceed. Old walls, new work. The same dance repeated for hundreds of years. Bone arrives, china begins. 40 years of feeling bone. He knows by touch what machines measure. Experience cannot be automated. Bone, clay, stone. 4 ingredients, thousands of years of geological history, about to be transformed by fire and human hands. 1887, the year this chimney first smoked. Generations of potters have passed through these doors. The bones have changed. The obsession has not.
This door has opened 1,000,000 times. Each time someone entered to make something beautiful. Today is no different.
The uniform changes. The ritual remains. Cleanliness, respect, readiness. This is the heart, where bone meets clay, where fire meets art, where plates are born. Even after calcining, impurities remain. A single dark speck can ruin a plate's translucency. Every speck must go. Hand sorting. In an age of automation, human eyes still find what machines miss. Each speck removed by hand. Size matters. Fine dust for fine china. Larger pieces for stronger wear. Every particle finds its purpose. These scales have weighed bone for 150 years. They've never been wrong. Tradition has weight. These scales have weighed bone for 150 years. They've never been wrong. Tradition has weight. The recipe hasn't changed since 1923. Why change perfection? The bones are ready, the clay waits. Let us begin. Layer upon layer, bone, clay, stone, 4 ingredients, 1 destiny. The mixer awaits. Dry becomes wet, separate becomes one. The slip, liquid clay, liquid bone, begins its journey. Hours of grinding, particles reduced to silk. The smoother the slip, the finer the china. Even microscopic iron is an enemy. Magnets remove what eyes cannot see. The slip is now pure.
Water removed, body remains, solid, smooth, ready. This is bone china in its most basic form.
No air bubbles, no hidden voids. The clay is now perfect, dense, uniform, ready to become heirlooms. The wheel hasn't changed in millennia. Clay hasn't changed either. But these hands, they've changed everything. From a lump to a plate, 60 seconds, 40 years of practice, magic made visible. Soft as cheese, fragile as eggshells, hundreds of plates, all waiting for the fire that will make them strong.
Slow drying, gentle warmth. Rushing this step would crack every plate. Patience is part of the recipe.
Every edge smoothed, every seam removed. The plates are now perfect, ready for the fire that will make them eternal. Hands shape them, now machines load them. 50 plates per minute, each handled softer than human hands ever could. Every millimeter optimized, every plate positioned for perfect heat flow. The dance of fire and ceramic is choreographed by algorithms.
To 150 degrees Celsius, hotter than lava. The plates enter as clay, they will emerge as glass-hard ceramic. This is the crucible.
The bone melts into glass. The clay vitrifies. At 1250 degrees, chemistry becomes magic. This is where bone becomes china.
24 hours to cool. Every degree controlled. Thermal shock would shatter them, so the kiln breathes slowly, gently, perfectly. Hold it to the light, see through it. That translucence, that's the bone. That's 1250 degrees, that's centuries of knowledge in your hands. The first test, human touch, human sight. After the fire, only the perfect ones continue. These hands have rejected thousands and saved millions.
The glaze, liquid glass, applied by robots that never tremble. In seconds, each plate wears its future shine.
Patterns that last centuries, applied by hand, one decal at a time. In an age of automation, beauty still needs human touch.
The second firing, the glaze melts, the decal sinks in. When it emerges, the pattern is no longer on the plate, it is the plate. The final touch, the last human eyes before yours. If it's not perfect, it doesn't leave. This one, perfect.
From bone to beauty, from farm to table. This is what we do, this is why we're here.
Random samples. Every batch. If the lab rejects them, the entire production run stops. Science has the final word. Every plate tracked, every test recorded. If a plate fails decades from now, we'll know exactly when it was made and why. 20 years of dinner parties, dropped forks, stacking, clattering. This test simulates it all in minutes.
Pass. Moving to the next station.
From boiling to freezing in seconds, most ceramics shatter. Bone china survives. This is why your grandmother's plates still exist. The edge, the most fragile part. If it chips easily, the plate fails. This one, it could survive a century. Translucency, the soul of bone china. If light doesn't pass through, it's not bone china. This batch, it glows.
Signed, sealed, certified. This batch carries the same approval as every plate made here since 1887. Some things never change.
Every plate now has a passport. Its journey from bone to box, recorded forever. Scan it, and the plate tells its story.
A dinner set, 12 pieces, 1 box. The same ritual of packing has happened here since 1887. Just faster now, gentler now.
London, New York, Paris, Tokyo. Bone china born in English fields, now destined for tables around the world.
Wrapped, labeled, ready. These plates will cross oceans, pass through customs, arrive in dining rooms, all without a scratch.
And this is how modern factories produce bone china, from animal bones to plates.
Same as it ever was, same as it ever will be.